Hello there, this is another video tutorial, and this one I'll be showing you how to file KRA tax returns. So you need two things. One, you need your KRA PIN and also a P9. So with that we can get started. So from KRA you will download an Excel sheet which is zipped, and then the Excel sheet is the one that we are going to fill. So here is my Excel sheet. So in the first row we enter the KRA PIN followed by the return type. The return type you just select the return type original, the return period which is from January 2019 to that first. Then you scroll to the bottom where you hit the next button. So we click next. Then we enter the employer PIN, then the employer name, gross pay, in my case 2017 955. The allowances, here we have 00. Then the net housing allowance 0. Pension is 0 also. Then we move to the next, whereby we enter the KRA PIN of the employer name, in my case is Mastermind Kenya Limited. Then taxable salary, in here we have 208,000, or tax payable, which is 25,167.10. Then the amount of payee, which is 11,223.10, and you click next. So in the Q column we don't fill anything here, the Q sheet. Then we fill the pension contribution, which is 9840, and the taxable income, so you fill in the personal relief, which is 13944. So at the bottom, that is the tax due stock refund due, you should get 00. So we are going to take this amount, that is negative 328.10. We subtract it from the total tax payable. So we move to the M sheet, the M details of paid. If we subtract the amount from 11,223.10, we'll get 9895.00. So the Excel sheet balances. Now you can click on the validate button to generate the zipped Excel sheet. So it has generated the Excel sheet. Then you log into the KRA iTax portal, enter the PIN, KRA PIN, click on continue, then enter the password, then the security thumb, which is here at 79. You log in. Upon logging in, click on return, then resident, next, choose a file, choose the file that we fill the Excel sheet, you agree, and you click on submit. So here we have our receipt, which indicates the tax returns. You can download and print it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and leave a comment. See you next time.